Thanks for watching. Don't miss out on more delicious food ideas. Go ahead and like and subscribe right now. Today we're going to be making Mexican pizzas, because who needs Taco Bell? They can put it back on the menu, they can take it off. We'll just keep making them here at home, and they're going to taste way better. Let's start with an awesome taco seasoning for our beef. Garlic powder. And plenty of it. Onion powder. Cumin. Coriander. Dried oregano. Paprika. Hot chili. Some cayenne. And some dried cilantro. And then just a touch of salt and give it a stir. And that tastes a million times better than Taco Bell already. We're going to gently mix that with our beef. We'll go ahead and use all the seasoning actually. Don't overwork your beef. You just want it nice and crumbly. And we'll cook our beef in about a tablespoon of oil. Gently break it up until you have a nice pan of delicious browned beef ready to go for your Mexican pizza. So let's prep our other ingredients. We're going to chop some cilantro. And we'll chop up some green onion. We have store-bought pico de gallo just to save some time, and a homemade enchilada sauce from Chicken Enchiladas. So good, so rich, but you can use store-bought if you want to. And refried beans, and a store-bought Mexican cheese mix. So it's really not all that much work. But we're going to make an avocado crema. I'm using 2 avocados. Just scoop out all 4 of those halves. Just about a tablespoon of sour cream. It's what I had left in the fridge that I needed to get rid of. And the juice of 1 lemon. This will just be really tart and fresh on top of our Mexican pizza. Just a little bit of salt and give it a mash. Let's speed this up. These are really ripe avocados, so it really wasn't that hard to get it creamy. And the sour cream helps a lot. We have our tostadas. Always tricky to dig through the bag until you find enough non-broken ones. I'm just going to make 2 Mexican pizzas, so I only need 4. And we'll smear our beans all over there. It's an anchor for our beef. Kind of glues it to the tostada. I'm going to add my enchilada sauce. I found out that if I just rub it on the inside of the top piece, it's a lot easier than trying to put it on the beef directly. Put a little bit of cheese on the inside to help glue everything together. Our avocado crema goes on top. And it becomes the base for our pico de gallo, our green onions, cilantro, and finally more cheese, the mother load of cheese. I put this in a 350-degree oven for 10 minutes, or until your cheese gets as melty as you want it. And there you have beautiful, big Mexican pizzas. Who needs Taco Bell anyway? They can take it off the menu again. I don't care. I'll just make it at home and it'll taste way better. And these are heavy. They weigh like half a pound at least. And they're beautiful. That crunch, that savory beef that's way better than Taco Bell. Every ingredient on here is better than Taco Bell, you know? Not that hard to make at home. And once you have all the ingredients ready to go, like I have the beef in my fridge, I can make one whenever I want now. Easy peasy. If you want to see more delicious food ideas, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out.